Imagine sitting across from someone. They just made an offer. You don't respond. Not a word. Seconds pass. Then something strange happens. They start talking again. They justify. They explain. They lower their price. And just like that, you win, without saying a single word. Because here's the truth most people don't realize. Silence is not empty. Silence is pressure. And the person who controls it, controls the outcome. In this video, you'll discover why silence makes people uncomfortable, how to use it to gain power instantly, the exact moments to stay quiet, and the deadly mistakes that destroy your leverage. By the end, you'll never rush to speak again. Before we go deeper, comment "silence equals power" if you're ready to master one of the most underrated psychological weapons ever used. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe now. Let's start with a simple question. Why does silence feel so uncomfortable? Because humans are wired to fill gaps. When there's silence, the brain assumes something is wrong. Anxiety increases. The need to resolve tension kicks in. And in negotiation, that tension becomes pressure. Whoever breaks first loses leverage. Most people talk to feel safe, but powerful negotiators stay silent to make others feel unsafe. Silence forces the other person to reveal more than they planned. When you don't respond, they second-guess themselves. They add unnecessary information. They weaken their own position. You're not just being quiet, you're making them work. If you've ever talked too much and regretted it later, hit like right now, because what you're about to learn will change that forever. Silence works because it triggers three powerful psychological effects. 1. The discomfort effect. People hate awkward silence, so they rush to fill it, often with concessions, explanations, weak arguments. 2. The authority effect. The quieter person often appears more confident, more in control, more dominant. Think about it. Who seems more powerful? The one talking non-stop, or the one calmly observing? 3. The mirror effect. Silence makes the other person reflect on what they just said. And sometimes, they realize their own offer isn't good enough, so they improve it for you. Silence doesn't just control the conversation, it reshapes it. Ask yourself, do you usually rush to speak? Or can you sit in silence comfortably? Drop your answer in the comments. I talk or I stay quiet. Now let's get practical. Here are 5 powerful silence techniques used by elite negotiators. 1. The after-offer silence. Someone gives you an offer. You say nothing. Just look at them. Wait. This creates instant pressure. Most people will add bonuses, lower demands, or start negotiating against themselves. 2. The strategic pause. Before answering any important question, pause for 3 to 5 seconds. This does 2 things. Makes you look thoughtful. Prevents emotional reactions. 3. The dead air technique. After making your statement, stop talking completely. Let it sit. Even if it feels uncomfortable. That discomfort? That's your advantage. 4. The silent disapproval. No words. Just a slight head tilt. A neutral face. A pause. This signals that's not good enough. Without confrontation. 5. The walkaway silence. When negotiation reaches a peak, say nothing. Stand up. Prepare to leave. Silence here creates urgency, and urgency creates concessions. If you're learning something new right now, subscribe, because most people will never understand this level of psychological control. Silence is powerful, but only if used correctly. Here are the biggest mistakes. 1. Talking out of nervousness. You feel pressure, so you speak, and instantly lose control. 2. Over-explaining. The more you explain, the weaker your position becomes. 3. Breaking silence too early. This is the biggest mistake. You wait, but not long enough, and the other person wins. 4. Fake silence. If your silence looks forced or awkward, it backfires. True silence is calm, not tense. Silence is a skill. Here's how to train it. 1. Practice delayed responses. In conversations, wait 2 to 3 seconds before replying. 2. Get comfortable with awkwardness. Silence only feels uncomfortable because you're not used to it. Train yourself to sit in it. 3. Observe more, speak less. Start listening carefully. People reveal everything when you're quiet. 4. Control your body language. Stay calm, relaxed, confident, because silence without presence means nothing. A man walks into a negotiation. He wants a deal. The other person gives an offer. He says nothing, just looks at them, waits 10 seconds, 15 seconds,